What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful freaking day. If you guys remember, about 10 days ago, 13 days ago, I did a little giveaway for an open road four-wheel drive winch, and Zach's gonna go pick it up right now.
Where's it at?
It's on the floor. It goes on the desk.
I understand that. Unbelievable.
As you guys can see, it's a really nice 4,500 pound winch here from our buddies over at Open Road, and remote control and all that fun stuff. Really neat product, and I want to let everybody out there know we have a winner, and it just so happened that that winner was local and decided to drive up here today to the shop to pick up his good old prize, and this is James.
Hey.
He has been a long time subscriber.
Absolutely.
To the channel. Has been watching the channel for so long, and it was actually really random because I didn't expect this. Yeah. I was expecting to ship this out, and when I started messaging you to let you know you won, you were like, oh, I'm only so much, so far away, I'll just come get it. And I was like, that's awesome. It actually makes it better because I can make a video about it now.
Yeah,
or intersect this into a video.
Looking forward to come to DFR International
headquarters. Yeah. Well, if you like, let's show you what we got here. You can take a look at everything, pull it apart. As you guys know, I have one of these on my truck. I have a 13,000 pound open road winch on my truck, and I love it. It works great. And now, obviously, James going to have a really nice one himself. Do you have anything that this is going to go on?
I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do yet.
Okay. Oh, it is synthetic rope as well.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, and it has your freeze
put it
spool.
on one of my trailers.
It would work great on a trailer.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it would work freaking amazing on a trailer, dude. Hook a little battery up to it or something.
Yep.
Yeah, but here's your free spool, your locker on the side here, which is really neat. Your what do they call that? Fairlane?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, cables and everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. You're gonna really enjoy it. I know I enjoyed mine.
Absolutely. Especially
the remote stuff. The remote control stuff is really like the best part of these winches, to be honest.
And there's two of them.
Yeah, you got two remotes, and also you have this right here that can hook onto handlebars. Like if you were to put it on an ATV or something, you could hook it on handlebars and operate it that way as well, like hardwired wise, basically. But there you go, boss. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gets lots of use.
Me and the boys will.
Yeah. Once you got it all hooked up, do me a big favor, take a picture of it, post it up on your Instagram, and tag Open Road in it.
We will.
And hopefully we'll be doing some more giveaway stuff with this company.
Thank you, Open Road.
Yeah, there you go. Well, we have a little problem here. Actually, pull it outside. There we go. Now we're in the sunlight a little bit. What sunlight we have. That's good. Pop the hood. We have an issue that needs a tissue with the GTP. And to be honest with you guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to drive this. I don't think I'm going to be able to drive this truck anymore. At this point in time, we're probably going to have to get rid of it. Maybe. I'm not really getting rid of it, but I'm going to tell you why it's going to be hard for me to drive this truck anymore, and why we need to fix the GTP. So, the problem here is the fact that fuel prices for diesel are through the roof. I don't know who I gotta talk to. I don't know who I gotta write. But this is ridiculous. I went and got fuel in the truck today. $6.39, and we're in Pennsylvania, Amish country, at a Turkey Hill, and it's $6.39. There is no excuse in the entire world for why fuel and gas and everything else needs to be going so high in pricing. It's literally making everybody poor. So unfortunately, I'm probably gonna have to park the truck. I financially cannot afford to be putting almost $150 to in my tank to fill my tank on a regular basis. I can't do that. So the GTP's been sitting for a while, guys, because obviously Zach got his Integra back right?
Yes.
And I came to the conclusion that I probably should start driving this because this car gets a lot better gas mileage than that fucking monster.
I've been telling you this.
Shut up.
Ever since I got my car back, I'm like, drive the GTP. He's like, I like my drive.
So we do have an issue, and this is one of the reasons why it's been sitting. If you look down there, we have a little leakage. And yep, it's one of those plastic elbows on these 3800s that are a problem. And luckily, I've got the pieces to fix it, which is good. But we need to tear this thing apart a little bit, take the alternator off, take this bracket back here off, and replace both those plastic pieces before I can actually start driving this vehicle again. I mean, I really like the GTP. It definitely drives nice. It's kind of a shit box, but I like it.
Hey.
It is, but I like it. I like it.
Box. It's a sleeper.
But I figure if I'm going to stop driving that thing, I'm going to have to get this thing fixed and start utilizing this. So let's get some tools and tear this piece of junk apart. All right, guys. Here's our Dorman part number 47065HP, which is going to be replacing the plastic pieces of junk. They're probably going to break when we tear it apart, but they're going to be replacing those two pieces. We're going to silicone these as well. Okay, so basically we need to take the alternator off. Now we move my alternator, and always remember to disconnect the battery before doing this. Am I right or am I wrong?
Did you disconnect the battery?
I did.
I didn't see you do that. Okay.
I definitely did. There we go. There's one bolt. Oh, no!
I did not hear that hit the ground.
That's your, oh, there it is. That's your fault. I blame this on you. We'll put that there. There's another bolt over here as well. Found it. There's that bolt. There's 3 of them in here. This is definitely gonna make a mess when I pull it out.
12 seconds later.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes. There she blows.
That coolant doesn't look yummy.
It's the, let's make sure it's hitting the pan. Yeah, it's actually hitting the pan, good. It's actually all going in the pan, it's awesome. There it is. So guys and gals, that one broke off. Oh no, maybe, yeah, it did, yeah. So that's the pieces right there. And they both broke off, go figure. Now we gotta dig them both out. Terrible, just terrible. Oh, maybe not. Maybe so, I don't know, maybe so. I don't know. Look at that. That was destroyed. These always go bad. I should have replaced these when we did the motor.
That would have made
when we did
smart.
the engine. I should have replaced them when I did the engine. I was dumb.
Or even the trans probably would have been a good time.
Nah, because then I told I had to take those. The engine would have been a better option. And the messed up thing is, the old engine we pulled out has the metal ones in it.
Unbelievable.
I know, right? I'm such a dick. Now we got to clean all this up. And of course we got to get the broken pieces out as well. That's going to be the fun part, is getting the broken pieces out with a pick or a screwdriver or something. Hopefully they come out really easy, and then we'll replace them and just show you what it all looks like as we're putting it together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little Celerone here,
He's becoming the Tin Man.
Put it on top of these O-rings. I want this thing to seal. Everything's cleaned up down there. Go show them, Zach. Go show them how nice and clean it all is.
So, we got the bracket off the old engine.
Yeah,
that way we don't have to.
Basically, I didn't want to get the broken pieces.
That way we don't have to dig it out of that one. We're just gonna swap the new bracket on. It's literally just these 2 hoses. So then, first hole is right there where the light's at, and the second one is over there somewhere. So, right there on the water pump. So everything's nice and cleaned up. We drained a bunch of fluid onto the bottom of the engine. Good to go.
Good to go. This one in here. This has a little silicone in here, but I'm not too terribly concerned about it. There we go. Bingo, bango, bongo. And I think this one, nope, that don't fit. So it goes, this goes in first here. Oh God. Oh God. Okay, cool. Now, basically, this is such a dumb design. Like, why would you do this?
Yeah. 5 Ford.
Yeah. Like, I don't understand why.
5 Ford products.
Why they? What? No.
No.
Shut up.
You're
idiot.
right. JDM for the win.
I don't understand why they would do this with this. Like, this is such a ridiculous way of putting something together.
Oh, hey guys, fun fact, we got a recall in the mail for the GTP.
Yeah, we did.
And you know how recalls are normally like, oh, that bolt's gonna fail right there. Well, the recall simply just said under hood fire.
Yep, good for us.
And it was for the entire car. Like, it wasn't specified to a single part.
Yeah.
It was just a recall
It's
on
like,
the
hey,
entire car.
This thing's gonna burn to
It
the
was like,
ground.
hey, throw the whole car away.
So we will be contacting GM dealership to get that fixed.
About why under hood fire is an issue.
All right, guys, she is all back together, running. We gotta bleed her out. But now we don't have fluid in there, so we gotta bleed her out here. You got the heat on? What's up? No, they're not.
We're not doing anything.
Why do you keep breaking my shit, man? Here, pull it up a little bit forward. Pull the car up a little bit further so you're not in that puddle. How about you're out of that puddle? Keep going. That's fine. All right, just make sure the heat's on and not the AC, the heat. Oh, there we go, guys. It's summertime, so we don't got to worry about actually having antifreeze. Water's a better cooling agent anyways. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing filled up. Make sure she's got heat and make sure she's working. All right, guys, she is warmed up. Everything's working. I sprayed her down a little bit because I made a little mess. She's smoking a little bit. Maybe that's what the recall's about that we got to do. So we definitely got to call and do the recall because we don't want the car to catch on fire, and that's what the recall is, catching on fire. We definitely don't want that. What's making noise over here? Something's tapping. Oh, it might be the belt. Yeah, it might just be the belt. Hear that, or a blower? You hear that? What's that noise? Oh, there's a spider. That might just be a belt.
Supercharger. Unless it's the belt down here.
It might just be the belt or something. Well, thank God we got another supercharger to be able to put on this beast if we need to. Alrighty, well, here we go. My service, under hood fire. So I got to call Jones Pontiac GMC to schedule my appointment for the GTP. The GTP in order for it to get repaired and fixed. So that'll be the next step. Other than that, she's fully heated up. Everything's good to go. And we are going to end this awesome video. So I guess Zach's going to wash his Integra. He wants to wash his Integra. Because, you know, race car.
God help me, I got a race car.
There she goes, guys. The good old GTP. It is a good car. For being a piece of junk, it is a good car. But, you know, I really can't complain. But, yeah. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to end this video. Hopefully you enjoyed everything that you've seen today. Hopefully you learned something. If you didn't, I really don't know what to tell you. But hopefully you did. Other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I just keep saying that over and over again. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.